What is going on, guys? My name is Briss and welcome to HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. As most of you may know, last week I was having some hard drive issues, so unfortunately I could not post a video, but we are back again this week. And given the recent consistent 70, 80-degree weather we've been having, what better drink to showcase this week than the Piña Colada? The name Piña Colada, or really Piña if you want to pronounce it with the Spanish pronunciation, directly translate from Spanish to mean strained pineapple, which correlates to the fruit that is used in a concoction. And of course, like any other cocktail, there is some debate about who initially came up with the drink. Now, there are three main Puerto Rican bartenders who all contest that they came up with the drink themselves. Now, the most common story is Ramon Manchito Marrero Perez, who claimed to have made the drink back at the Caribe Hilton Hotel Beachcomber Bar in San Juan back in August 15th, 1952. And sorry if I butcher any of these names, I'm not a Spanish speaker. And for the second bartender, Ricardo Garcia, who also worked at the Caribe, claims that he was the one who made the drink. So maybe Ricardo made it and Ramon is taking credit for it, or vice versa, who knows. And lastly, Ramon Portes Mingat also claims that he made the drink back in 1963 at the Berachina restaurant in Old San Juan. And the Berachina also even has a plaque notating his claim that he was the one who made it. Now, truth be told, the mixture of rum, coconut, and pineapple juice has been a thing since rum was first invented. And the first mention of the Piña Colada even dates back to 1922 in an issue of Travel magazine. However, this was a Cuban Piña Colada, so it did not include any cream of coconut. It simply had pineapple juice, lime juice, and sugar. And since then, it's been called a Cuban Piña Colada. So the Puerto Ricans simply added cream of coconut to that mixture and created the modern Piña Colada that we all know and love today. And now with that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get down to actually making the drink. Now, with the Piña Colada, there are actually two main ways to make it. You can either blend it, which is the more traditional method, or you can also shake it, which is the more contemporary method. However, today I'll be doing the blending method just for old time's sake. So first, you're going to start off by putting ice in a blender. So let me take this off. And you'll want to do 1 to maybe 2 scoops of ice. Probably got about 10 cubes in there. Now, as far as ingredients go, I'm going to opt to do a 3-to-1 ratio. So 3 pineapple juice, 2 rum, and 1 cream of coconut. So first, I'll start off with the pineapple juice. And we'll do 3 ounces. You can pour that directly into the blender. Next, we'll do our 2 ounces of white rum. And then we'll do an ounce of cream of coconut. I use Coco Real cream of coconut. It does tell you to refrigerate after opening, so with this I might have to shake it pretty good to be able to squeeze it out. But you also have like more liquid forms of cream of coconut as well. Generally, whatever you can get your hands on will work for this. And this is a more thicker, more solidified cream of coconut. That should be good. So, oh, here we go. There. Like, this is so chunky. I was scared it wasn't even going to come out of there, but no, we got it. And then once you have your ingredients in your blender, you can go ahead and blend for about 5 to 10 seconds. It's a good thing we are using the blending method because we can really get that thick cream of coconut nice and incorporated in there. So then you want to just pour that into a hurricane glass. Like that. And then as far as garnishes go, you'll want to do a pineapple leaf and a pineapple wedge. I do not feel like cutting this pineapple up right now. So I will simply just do a pineapple leaf for now. But when I take a picture, I promise you I will have a pineapple wedge in there. And this shit is tough. There we go. And then you just put a straw in there. And there we have a Piña Colada. And now that we have our drink, let's give it a taste. Ooh, okay. I got a little carried away, I'm sorry. The Piña Colada is a classic for a reason. Very a unique tasting cocktail, first and foremost. You don't have a lot of cocktails that utilize coconut. And I usually am not a fan of coconut in almost anything. I don't like coconut candy, coconut milk, anything coconut I do not like. But in a Piña Colada, it works. I mean, it definitely, something about it just resonates with me. And as it does with most people, you know. I don't know many people who don't like Piña Coladas. And obviously the drink looks very good to boot. It has a nice color to it, a nice like tan, maybe egg white-ish color. I'm not an artist, but you know that's what I'm getting from it. The leaf is a nice touch. Obviously it will look even better if I had the pineapple wedge on the top as well, but you know, I'm sorry, it's a lot of work and I didn't feel like cutting that up and doing whatever to it. Pineapples are really tough, all right? It's not like cutting a lime or anything. But regardless, very good looking drink, very great tasting drink, easy to make. You really can't go wrong with it. And also, there are different ways to make it. You know, some people utilize lime juice, and you can even use bits of pineapples when you blend it up or shake it. You know, if you are shaking it, you can muddle some pineapple wedges at the bottom, and then do all your shaking. So up to you. So overall, Piña Colada, instant classic, great for summery, spring days when it's really hot temperature. You're sitting poolside or at the beach. Very beginner friendly. You can't go wrong with it, and I highly recommend that to anyone. So thank you guys for watching this week's video, and I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.